If your X, formerly Twitter, likes tab is overflowing and you want to clean it up, this video will show you exactly how to delete all your X.com likes the simple way. Now, before we get into it, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more quick social media tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel grow and it lets you know when more useful guides go live. Alright, let's jump in. First, open X and go to your profile. You can do this from the mobile app or from your desktop browser, and it works the same basic way either way. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Likes tab. This is where X stores every post you've liked, and it gives you a full list of the tweets and posts you've interacted with. Go ahead and tap or click on Likes to open that section. Now, you'll see a scrollable feed of everything you've liked before. If you want to delete all your likes, the process is really about unliking each post one by one. X does not give most users a simple built-in button to clear every like instantly, so the manual method is the safest and most reliable way to remove them. As you scroll through the list, look for the solid heart icon next to each tweet you want to unlike. That solid heart means the post is currently liked. Tap or click that heart icon once and it will turn back into the unliked state. When you do that, the like is removed from your account right away. Keep scrolling and repeat the same step for each post you want to clear. If you have a lot of likes, this can take a little time, so the best approach is to work through the list in sections. Start from the most recent likes and move backward, or choose specific posts you want removed first if you do not want to clear everything all at once. A helpful tip is to go slowly and make sure you're on the correct post before unliking it, especially if you like a lot of similar content. If you're on mobile, you may need to swipe a little more carefully to load older likes as you scroll. If you're on desktop, using a larger screen can make it easier to scan the list and unlike posts faster. Just remember, every time you tap that heart icon, you are removing that like from the post. If your goal is a fully clean slate, continue through your Likes tab until there are no more liked posts left in the sections you checked. This is the main method for deleting all your X likes without needing any complicated tools or extra steps. Once you've finished, go back to your profile and double check the Likes tab to make sure the posts you wanted removed are no longer showing as liked. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete your X.com or Twitter likes by opening your profile, going to the Likes tab and tapping the solid heart icon next to each tweet you want to unlike. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.